Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one notification while I try to access my Instagram notification section, and it shows an unrecognized Windows PC just logged in, and also they showing the exact login location. So I try to tap this notification and they ask for this was me or this was not me. So if you press this was not me option, they showing the password reset section. So otherwise, if you press this was me and they ask for confirm this login, if you recognize this device and location, we will keep your account logged in. So if you feel this is your login attempt, you can click to confirm. So otherwise, don't press this was me. And also note one thing, in bottom of this notification, they showing the one more section called where you are logged in, and in first it shows me active login location. So anyway, if you like to log out the remaining sessions, just tap this vertical three dots icon and then click to log out. So same way you can log out the remaining sessions. So the conclusion of this video is this is not a error message, which means that this is type of unusual login activity notification. So once you got this notification, first of all review your all active login sessions. So if you feel if any unusual login activity has happened, just change your Instagram password to new one, and this is best way to protect your Instagram account. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.